In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma Quick Actions. Quick Actions is Figma's command palette, a fast way to find tools, run commands, insert assets, and launch plugins without digging through menus. Let's get you using it confidently in just a few minutes. Start by going to figma.com and opening the file where you want to work. If you're on the home screen, select a project and click into the file you want to edit. This puts you in the Figma editor where Quick Actions is most useful. Once your file is open, take a look at the top left corner of the interface. Click the main menu, then choose Actions. This opens the Quick Actions search bar right in the middle of your screen. It's a floating panel where you can type what you need and execute it instantly. If you prefer to move even faster, use the keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl+K. On many keyboards, that's the Control key and the letter K together. You'll find that using the shortcut quickly becomes second nature. With the panel open, start typing what you're looking for. Quick Actions can search across 4 areas: all, assets, plugins, and widgets. All shows a combined list of everything relevant to your search. Assets will surface components and styles from your current file or libraries, so you can drop in buttons, icons, or apply text and color styles without leaving the canvas. Plugins lets you find and run installed plugins directly from search, which is great for tasks like content generation, accessibility checks, or batch renaming. Widgets are available in FigJam and certain design contexts and can be launched the same way. A few tips to make this even smoother. Keep your search terms simple. Type the action or item name like frame, auto layout, rename, or stroke. Many commands are context aware, so select a layer before searching for things like group, align, or outline stroke. Use the arrow keys to navigate results and press enter to run the highlighted option. If you don't see what you expect, try a different phrasing. Quick Actions is good at matching synonyms, but the exact tool name often yields the best result. Over time, you'll rely on Quick Actions for nearly everything: switching tools, inserting components, applying styles, jumping to pages, or launching your favorite plugins. It keeps you focused on the canvas and saves a ton of clicks. And that's all you need to get started. Open a file, launch Quick Actions from the menu or with Ctrl+K, and search across all assets, plugins, and widgets. Practice a few times and you'll be flying through your work.